Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw client payments from Upwork to your bank, full guide step by step clearly. To withdraw client payments from Upwork to your bank, start by logging into your Upwork account. Once logged in, navigate to the main dashboard. Look for the Reports tab in the upper menu and click on it. In the drop-down menu, select Transaction History. Here, you will see all your earnings and their current statuses. Next, ensure you have a verified payment method linked to your account. If you haven't added a payment method yet, go to Settings. From the Settings menu, select Get Paid. Choose the payment method you prefer, such as a bank transfer or PayPal. Follow the instructions to link your bank account or PayPal to your Upwork account. After linking, return to your transaction history. Find the funds you wish to withdraw. Select Get Paid Now next to your available balance. Confirm the withdrawal amount and payment method. Review the transaction details and ensure everything is correct. Once verified, submit your withdrawal request. You will receive a confirmation message indicating the withdrawal is in progress. The time it takes for the funds to appear in your bank account can vary. Check your bank account after the specified processing time. If the funds do not appear, refer to Upwork's support for assistance. Remember to keep track of your transaction history for future reference. That's how you withdraw client payments from Upwork to your bank effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.